Hey everyone, today I made this game using nothing but AI tools. Check this out. It's a typing reflex game with a twist. You're basically dodging traffic by typing letters. Sounds simple? Well, not quite. Here's how it works. You're controlling this little red car and you have to move it between lanes to avoid incoming cars and trucks. Each lane has a random letter. You move to a lane by typing the letter shown in that lane. But there is a catch. You can only move to adjacent lanes. So if you are in the middle lane, you can move left or right, but not jump across two lanes. Every time you type the right letter and successfully does, you score points. The faster and more accurate you are, the more points you rack up. But if you don't move in time, or you're stuck in front of an obstacle, boom, you crash. Game over. So yeah, now let me show you exactly how I made this. Here's my first prompt. The prompt starts by assigning the AI the role of an expert game developer. Then it introduces the core game idea, followed by details about the game window and display setup. Next, it focuses on lanes and how letters appear for typing-based lane changes, a key gameplay mechanic. Then it explains the player car, how it moves using correct inputs, and how the speed and difficulty increases over time. After that, it covers obstacles, how they spawn, move, and cause game over and collision. The prompt also talks about scoring and progression, including bonuses and a gradual difficulty curve. Then it moves into advanced challenges and power-ups, which are optional but add depth if implemented. It wraps up by describing the game states like start screen, gameplay, and game over. And finally, it asks the AI to follow a clean code structure using classes and comments. So after coming up with the prompt, I opened up Google AI Studio. This is the AI I used to build the entire game. I gave my first prompt to the chat here. It instantly gave me blocks of code. So I copied it and pasted it into my code editor, ran the code, and this is what I got. At first glance, it looked promising. But as I started testing, it ran into a bunch of problems. The block didn't move at all, even when I typed the correct letter. The letters stopped spawning after a while, and the worst part, no collision detection. The player could hit the obstacles and nothing happened. So yeah, not a quite finished game, but the base was there. That's when I went deep into AI iteration mode. I kept telling AI what's broken and what I wanted instead. One by one, the issues got fixed. Letter spawning was fixed. Movement between adjacent lanes started working. Collision detection got added. I also increased the number of lanes to make the game more dynamic. And swapped out the boring rectangles with actual images, generated with images from Google AI Studio. I just typed in something like top-down 2D cartoon style red car and it gave me clean game-ready images. And yeah, this took a lot of prompting. You can scroll through just some of my chats with AI. I talked to AI literally hundreds of times to get everything right, from gameplay logic to image replacement. And after all that, I ended up with this, a fully working, polished AI built game.